what comes with the Cricut Mug Press. Hey everyone, welcome to the Quiet Grove. Today we are talking about Cricut's newest product that they just announced today, and that is their Cricut Mug Press. I'm totally excited about it. It is their newest heat press and is designed specifically, as the name implies, to help you make infusible ink mugs. Perfect professional quality mugs in a matter of minutes. And it just works with their infusible ink line of products. So you can use their sheets or their pens or their markers, doesn't matter. But today I wanted to talk about what comes with the Cricut Mug Press. Yes, on Cricut.com they will have bundles available with mugs and some infusible ink as well as the press. But if you're just buying the mug press, this is what you get. Now, for a price range, the Cricut Mug Press will be for sale for $1.99 at Cricut.com as well as their associated stores. So let's open it up and see what comes inside. Okay, so first you have their instructions. Comes with every major Cricut product telling you how to set it up, how to use it. It's always nice to know. Next is the mug press itself. It's small, it's sleek, it's actually pretty lightweight, and it's very easy to use. Lastly, you have two different cords. You have your power cord. This is how you power your mug press. You must be plugged in to work. So make sure you have a 3-pronged plug socket. And last but not least, this is the USB cord. Now you may wonder, why is there USB cord in the mug press box when it doesn't need to be connected to a device to use? The simple answer is Cricut requires you, when you first get your mug press, to register it before it will work. The reason behind this is Cricut needs to make sure that the mug press information is up to date, that all the settings and everything is working correctly. And so when you first open up your box, before you use it, you're going to have to use this USB cord to connect to a laptop or desktop computer via USB port. So if you don't have a USB port, you'll need to get a little dongle or something so you can use that. Now after it's registered, then all you have to do is plug it into the wall and it'll work just fine. So this is what comes inside the box for your Cricut Mug Press. Again, it is $1.99. It'll be available at Cricut.com and associated stores on March 11th. So set your calendar. You are going to want this machine.